Hi everyone, it's Ronnie and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today I'd like to give you 3 more quick tips for meal planning. Number 1 is know your family's favorite recipes and add them to your meal plan. This seems a little intuitive, I know, but so often we try to plan new and exciting recipes that we forget the family favorites. So keep them on your meal plan to keep everybody happy. Number 2 is to simplify your meal plan with menus. The menus feature in Plantee allows you to save meal plans so you can use them again in the future. This is the best way to simplify your meal planning because you literally make a meal plan in seconds since it's already made for you. And number 3, if you are pressed for time, use the idea of cook once and eat twice. This can be things like a sheet pan chicken can turn into a chicken salad the next day. There are a whole bunch of these cook once, eat twice recipes online, and we'll link to a couple of them below. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.